Hey everybody, how you doing today? Today I want to show you this really cool toolkit I found made by Ecopower. What I really like about it is how compact it is. Stick in your back pocket, take it anywhere you need to go. And the bits are right in the handle. I mean, that's awesome. It does have a locking mechanism, so it won't come out. The only thing I think would make it better is if it had a ratcheting handle. Hopefully Ecopower will come out with a new model that has a ratcheting handle. But if you do any work on your RC cars, I started off with a starter kit here. I put a link in the description below that. And I also put a link in the description below of the Ecopower. But it takes forever to work on your RC car. I mean, by hand, by not using an electric screwdriver. And I just got a cheap electric screwdriver that I use. But you can also use a regular drill as long as you have like torque settings and you don't use too much power and start stripping stuff. You don't want to do that. But what's nice about it, you just put these right here in your screwdriver. Boom, wheels off. It saves you so much time, and it's really awesome, and you're not exhausted or frustrated by the time you're done working on your RC car. Normally on the wheels, on the wheel nuts, I usually start them by hand just to get them going. But it's wonderful. It makes working on your RC car so much easier, so much faster. Just wanted to share that with you today. If you want to check it out, check out the link in the description below. You guys have a great day. See you.